Hello, everybody. Welcome to English Speaking and Listening Club. Today, we are going to talk about an important topic that can help you grow, improve, and achieve your dreams. How to change your life. Many people feel stuck in routines, unhappy with their situations, or unsure how to make positive changes. The good news is that you can change your life step by step, starting today, by building the right habits, mindset, and daily routines. In this video, I will guide you through practical methods, tips, and exercises that can transform your life gradually. 1. Understand the need for change. The first step to changing your life is realizing why change is important. Take a moment to reflect on your current life. Ask yourself questions like, am I happy with my current situation? What are the areas I want to improve? What habits are holding me back? Understanding the reasons for change gives you clarity and motivation. Without knowing why you want to change, it is easy to give up. Write down your reasons for wanting to change, as this will remind you of your goals every day. Example: I want to improve my English so I can communicate confidently. I want to wake up early and exercise daily to be healthy. I want to learn new skills for a better career. 2. Set clear goals. Changing your life begins with clear, specific goals. General wishes like I want to be successful are not enough. You need measurable, realistic, and achievable goals. How to set goals. Specific. Define exactly what you want. I want to learn 50 new English words this month. Measurable. Track your progress. I will practice speaking for 30 minutes daily. Achievable. Start small. I will wake up 30 minutes earlier every day. Time-bound. Give yourself a deadline. I will finish reading one book in 2 weeks. Setting goals helps you stay focused and gives your actions direction. Point 3. Develop self-discipline. Self-discipline is the backbone of personal transformation. Without discipline, even the best plans will fail. Self-discipline means doing what you need to do, even when you don't feel like it. Tips to build discipline. Start with small habits, like waking up on time. Remove distractions from your environment. Reward yourself for completing tasks. Track your daily progress in a journal. Example: I will study English for 30 minutes before breakfast every day, even if I feel tired. 4. Build life-changing habits. Habits shape your life. Positive habits lead to success, while bad habits hold you back. Focus on building small but consistent habits. Examples of life-changing habits: exercise daily for at least 20 minutes. Read English books or articles every day. Wake up early and plan your day. Practice gratitude by writing 3 things you are thankful for. Remember, habits grow slowly. Consistency is more important than intensity. 5. Change your mindset. Your mindset determines your success. To change your life, you need a growth mindset, the belief that you can improve through effort and learning. Avoid negative thinking like, I can't do this, or it's too late for me. Tips to develop a positive mindset. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Focus on solutions, not problems. Surround yourself with supportive people. Learn from failures instead of giving up. Example: instead of saying, I'm not good at English, say, I am learning English every day, and I will improve. 6. Take action every day. Dreams remain dreams without consistent action. Changing your life requires daily steps, no matter how small. Daily action plan. Example: morning, wake up early, exercise. Review goals. Afternoon, Study or work on skills. Evening, read, reflect, or plan for tomorrow. Night, review your achievements and note improvements. Even small actions, repeated daily, create massive changes over time. 7. Learn continuously to change your life. You must never stop learning. Knowledge and skills give you more opportunities and confidence. Read books, watch educational videos, or take online courses. Example: learn English to communicate better. Learn time management to increase productivity. Learn financial skills to save and invest wisely. Remember, personal growth is a lifelong journey. 8. Surround yourself with positive people. People around you influence your habits, mindset, and actions. To change your life, surround yourself with motivated, positive, and supportive people. Avoid negative influences that bring you down or discourage you. Example: join a study group to practice English. Connect with people who share your fitness goals. Find mentors who inspire and guide you. 9. Embrace challenges and failure. Challenges are part of life. To grow, you must face difficulties and learn from failures. Every mistake is a lesson that helps you improve. Don't fear failure. Use it as a stepping stone. Example: if you fail to speak fluently in English, analyze your mistakes, practice more, and try again. If you miss a goal, adjust your plan and continue working. 10. Practice gratitude and positivity. Being grateful improves mental health, focus, and motivation. Every day, write down things you are thankful for. This simple habit changes your perspective and makes life more enjoyable. Example: I am thankful for my family. I am grateful for the opportunity to learn English today. Gratitude helps you focus on progress instead of problems. 11. Plan and review your progress. Planning and reviewing your actions are essential for transformation. Write a daily or weekly plan with clear steps toward your goals. At the end of each week, review what worked, what didn't, and how to improve. Example: goal: learn 50 new English words this month. Plan: learn 5 words daily and use them in sentences. Review: check which words you remember and repeat the forgotten ones. 12. Take care of your health. Your physical and mental health is crucial for life changes. Healthy habits increase energy, focus, and confidence. Important habits: eat nutritious meals, exercise regularly, sleep 7 to 8 hours daily. Meditate or relax to reduce stress. Without good health, achieving your goals becomes much harder. 13. Visualize your success. Visualization is a powerful tool. Imagine your ideal life, your goals achieved, and yourself as the person you want to become. This motivates you to act consistently. Example: picture yourself speaking English confidently with foreigners. Imagine waking up early, exercising, and having a productive day. Visualize achieving your career or personal goals. 14. Take responsibility. For your life. To change your life, you must take full responsibility for your actions, choices, and habits. Stop blaming others or circumstances. Accept that your life depends on the decisions you make today. Example: instead of saying, "I cannot learn English because I am busy," say, "I will find 30 minutes every day to practice English." 15. Celebrate small wins. Every small step counts. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. This keeps you motivated and reinforces positive behavior. Example: I practiced English for 30 minutes today. I completed my workout. I read 1 chapter of a book. Small victories build momentum for bigger success. Point 16. Keep going, even when it's hard. Change is not easy. There will be days when you feel lazy, tired, or unmotivated. The key is consistency and persistence. Keep going, even in small steps, and you will notice progress over time. Changing your life is a journey, not a single event. By setting clear goals, building self-discipline, forming positive habits, learning continuously, surrounding yourself with the right people, embracing failures, and staying consistent, you can transform your life completely. The most important step is to start today. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and start taking small steps today to change your life. Keep practicing English and personal growth habits daily, and soon you will see incredible results.